Why baby hates tummy time and how to fix it. In this video, we will discuss: does your baby cry, fuss, or seem miserable every time you try tummy time? Don't worry, it's completely normal. What is tummy time? Tummy time is when your baby lies on their stomach while awake and supervised. Why it's important? Regular tummy time helps prevent flat head syndrome, promotes motor skills, and supports milestones like crawling and sitting. Why some babies hate tummy time? 1. Weak neck muscles. If your baby hasn't built enough neck strength yet, tummy time feels frustrating. It's like a mini workout every time. 2. Gas or discomfort. Tummy time puts pressure on their abdomen. If they have gas or reflux, it can make tummy time painful. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby-related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Feeling alone or unsupported. Babies thrive on connection. Being placed alone on the floor can feel isolating, especially in a new position. What to do when baby hates tummy time? 1. Start small. Begin with short sessions, just 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually increase time as your baby gains strength and comfort. 2. Make it a routine. Incorporate tummy time into your daily routine, after naps, diaper changes, or before feedings. 3. Tummy time on your chest. Start tummy time on your chest. Your face will comfort and motivate your baby to lift their head. 4. Tummy time on lap. Another gentle option. Place the baby across your lap. It reduces pressure on their tummy while still encouraging muscle use. 5. Get down on their level. Join your baby on the floor. Make eye contact, talk, sing, or smile to engage them during tummy time. 6. Use props and toys. Use mirrors or toys to keep your baby entertained. Bright colors and reflections can spark curiosity. 7. Try a tummy time roll or pillow. A small rolled towel or a tummy time pillow under their chest gives support and makes the position more comfortable. 8. Do tummy time after burping. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes after feeding. A burped baby is less likely to feel discomfort in their tummy. Tummy time is a learning process. With patience, creativity, and love, you can turn it into a happy part of your baby's day.